Okay, we're going to be doing British yield test for chicken. This exercise can be found in week one in your week one assignment. So what we're trying to do is find out what the value of your cost per one chicken breast is when you break down a whole chicken and get rid of all these items. Some of these items have market values, and that's where the value comes from here. For instance, chicken wings, it's about $4.25 a pound. So when we look at this, you have 2 units, and the value is based on per pound. So we have to actually change all of these weight into pounds. So this is the whole chicken is 3 pounds and 8 ounces. So 1 pound is 16 ounces. So we need basically 8 divided by 16 is 3.5. So the whole weight of this chicken is about 3.5 pounds. Okay, so now we're all in 1 unit, 5 pounds, or in a pound unit instead of pounds and ounces. 5 divided by 16. Round it off to 2 decimal place, get about 32.32 pounds. The 4 ounces divided by 16 will give you a quarter, which is 0.25. 6 ounces divided by 16 will give you 0.38. 7 ounces divided by 16 will give you 0.44 pound. And we know 8 is half of 16, so this is half a pound. Now we can extend it out. Extending means the weight in 1 unit, pound, times $2.05. It's going to give you like 3 or 4 decimal points, but we're going to round out to nearest penny. So it's roughly about 7.175. $7.18 is what we're looking at when we round it to nearest penny. So the total value is $7.18. That's the value of this chicken right here, the whole chicken. Fats, you get nothing. The market value for fat is 0. Wings, $4.25. So a quarter, or 0.25 pounds times $4.25 will roughly give you about 1.0625. So we'll round out the nearest penny is $1.07. For thighs, it is 85 cents per pound, gives you about 33 cents for that weight for 0.38 pounds. And then after thighs, you have drumsticks. It's $1.05 per pound, which will give you about 0.47 or 47 cents for that much weight there. 0.44 is only 47 cents. That's the value of that weight. For the carcass, is half a pound at $1.25. The carcass will give you 0.625 or 63 cents. Okay, so we look at this value. We'll go back and how we got these values. Basically, we're extending it out. We convert everything here to pounds in 1 unit because the value is per pound. And we can extend it out by multiplying. You could do another way too. If you make all this into ounces, then you have to change this to value per ounce, which is going to be a lot more work. I think this is an easier way to do this. and you just extend it out 3.5 pounds times $2.05 per pound is $7.18, and so on and so on. So just multiplying it out. So now we got to figure out our total trim weight. Our trim weight consists of all these guys right here: fats, wings, thighs, drums, and carcass. So we're gonna draw a line here. I'm gonna add all these up. Okay, when you add them up, I have 1.89 pounds. Okay, that's how much just all this weight weighs. So to get weight after trim, you take the total weight, 3.5 minus 1.89, give you roughly 1.61 pounds. We assume all this weight here is your chicken breast, but now we got to figure out the value. So our value of our trim is all of this here added together. Okay, that'll give you the value of the trim is $2.50. Okay, when you add this up, it's $2.50. So you want to take the total value minus the trim, and what I have here is $4.68. Okay, you want to figure out how much it is per pound. You take 4, get a different color here. But at the end, it just asks you how much it costs per breast. Which, so if you want to know how much it costs per breast, you just take that and divide it by 2, because obviously we get 2 chicken breasts. So each breast is that much weight right there. Okay. Therefore, you take 468 divided by 2 would give you $2.34 for chicken breast. Now, if you do it the other way around, let's say you want to figure out how much it costs per pound for the chicken breast. So it's $4.68 divided by 1.61 pounds. And that per pound weight, per pound cost would be $2.91. That's per pound. I'm just adding more to this right here just to give reasons for that. Now, if you know this is $2.91 per pound, if you divide that by 16, right, it'll give you about 18 cents an ounce per ounce. So if you take this 1.61 divided by 2, which is 0.81 pounds for one chicken breast, you multiply that by 16 will give you an ounce, roughly about 12.96 ounces. If you times that together, then you'll get another value, which is kind of close to that, roughly around. The value is going to be a little higher, $2.47 per chicken breast rather than that. This is going to give you. It may cover a little higher, so it all depends on what you want to do, because when you divide something, you're going to get more than you're going to get like a partial of a penny, and it's just going to extend out to the 10th place or the 100th place. If you want to cover yourself even more, you can do this here. So that value the cost of that chicken breast, $2.47. So why does that matter? Let's do this. Let me erase this. So we can talk about why does it matter? how you do your butcher's yield test, how you do your math. So, get one chicken breast. There was a value at $2.47, or cost you because you valued it at $2.47. The other one is at $2.34. Okay, let's say your food cost is 30%. That's your cost. 30% is 0.3, right? Which will get your selling price. If you do the math, because this value here, it's going to be higher. Because then you have to sell it at a higher price to get this back, to get this money back. You can sell it at a lower price to get that money back. But this will cover more of the costs that incurred to you. So this right here would be something that I would consider doing, because it's going to raise my selling dollar to get money back, so I can cover even more if anything else, like the decimal or the weight is not accurate or precise. You're going to cover more of your costs in this one. But anyways, that's how you get your cost of chicken breasts. You can watch this video anytime, and if you have any questions, you can always email, text me, however you communicate. Please do, so I can go over this again with you. Okay, I'll upload this in a YouTube video.